Now if you have an HP laptop like this one's pretty old, and when you switch it on you get a message on the screen basically there. So that basically says system has detected the storage of your battery is stated to be low or very low. So that means basically you have to put in a new battery. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple on these. Probably an idea to take the battery out first and just read the serial number before you order the new one. It's got a few numbers on the back there. This particular one takes an HSO4 battery. So you'll see numbers like that on the battery itself. And they're pretty inexpensive. This one cost about $35. Right, so the first job is to make sure the computer is switched off and unplug the power pack. And then we just close the lid and turn it over so that you've got the back. And right at the top, this is the battery here. And the battery is held in place by these two little lugs. That one on the left just unplugs by itself. This one on the right is spring loaded, so you have to push it in and then lift your battery while it's in, like that. And then if you look at the battery, this is where you'll see all your numbers that you need for ordering, and just make a mental note of what it looks like and how it attaches, so that when you're ordering you can check you're getting the right thing. Alright, so I've got a replacement battery. Put the old one there. Here's a replacement. Just open it. Like that. Pull it out. Check it against the old one. It looks pretty similar. Okay, and then we put it in position like that. Line it up first, like that. And then this one, as I said, is spring loaded, so you just have to release it. That one you lock in, and that one is spring loaded. So there we go, that's in now. So now we just got to test it. Turn it over, open it up again, and switch on. Keep our fingers crossed. Well, there we got that's a good start. We haven't got the bad battery message. And there we are, back to normal. Now if you found this useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you have any comments or questions, we'd love to hear from you. If you just scroll right down to the bottom, you'll find the comments section there. Thank you very much for watching.